Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while since I've done anything. It's been a quiet period. I've been waiting for the tyres and I've been waiting for the rims. And now over the last couple of days, they've both arrived. So what I'm going to do is make this video a bit stop-starty, where I'm going to talk about the tyres, show you what I've got, talk about the rims when I unbox those, and then go and get them fitted. And I'll jack the car up, take off what we've got on there, put the hub adapters on, and then put the wheels on, put it on the ground. Like I said, I'll show you all the process, but I didn't think it's worth doing one video at a time. So let's get on with it. I'll have a play with the tyres. See, I've gone for the Galaxies. There's been quite a lot of chat in the UK Cobra community about people moving across to these and giving them a go. So for the price point, I thought it's definitely worth having a go. And the speed rated to 130. So for the size and look that I wanted, they're going to do. So I've got 295 50 15s for the rears and 235 60 15s for the front. So I think it's 26.6 overall inches and a 26.1, so very slight difference in overall size, which is not a concern for me. Roughly I was expecting about 27. I looked at it, so I think I measured up my wheel arches for a wheel about 27 inches, allowing for suspension movement. So yeah, fingers crossed. When they go on, I love how big these are. They're so huge. So yeah, the quality's awesome. Northants tyres is where I got them from. Great guys up there, really easy to deal with. Yeah, so can't really say anything bad about those guys at all. The rims literally arrived last night, so I have gone for the spinners, which is brilliant. The amount of packaging these guys at Image Wheels did, you cannot knock that. Nothing was getting damaged. You've got cardboard sheets on top and like 3 layers of cardboard. So this is one of the rears. First impressions when I just opened it about 10 minutes ago was amazing. Like, it looks fantastic. I've put one of the center spinners and hub attachments into this one because I want to see what it looked like. So what I'll do is I'll put the camera down, get it out the box so you can actually see it properly. And here we are. This is one of the rears, 11-inch rim, 2 pieces, obvious. It's in the back where the bolts are. That's the hub attachment adapter that's in there. I just put this spinner in. I wanted to see what it looked like. So yeah, I went for powder coated. It's a bit high. Powder coated white central hooks. The Image Wheels CHBs I went for. A lot of Cobras use them. Polished outers, which is really high level of polish, which is awesome. Just really happy. I think they just look epic. I just can't wait to get the tyres on, hopefully today. The front's 8-inch, which are in the box. Still haven't even opened those yet. Yeah, so they were from Image Wheels. Great company to work with. There was a couple of week delays on the time that they expected them to be delivered. They kept me in the loop the whole time. They had some COVID issues like everyone else has had at the moment. I was going to wait and get the wheels on the rims and then jack it up. Oops. But what I'm doing is I've just put it on stands because I want to take the wheels off. Loads of room under there. Take the wheels off now and then put on the adapters. There and in there and see how it looks. There we go, that's one on. I think it looks awesome. I haven't fitted the slimline nuts to hold it on yet. Just wanted to see what it looked like once it's on. So I'm going to go around the car, fit them all on, put the nuts on. It's great that they supply 1/2-inch adapter nuts, and these are the big R pin, split pins for the front through the hole in the hub. Not sure I'll use those because I might end up doing the old drill hole and the safety wire, twisted wire, but we'll just see what goes on then. These are obviously important because the original nuts that I had on there with the build wheels wouldn't fit. See, they're inside the recesses in it. So I'm going to go around. It comes with an adapter, you'll see in there. Fit those on. So there's 20 in there, obviously 5 per hub. And then, yeah, see what that looks like. Right, so you see I've just gone around and put all these on. The 20 in the bag, annoyingly, one has got in there that's not a 1/2-inch thread. It just must be a mix-up at Image Wheels. I'll have to give them a call. Great thing though, where it just fits on. There you go, 17mm. Zip them on. So they look awesome. So there's the rear one. That, nice and tight on there. I will have to look at something about some kind of plug or something in there. Obviously the split pin, the R pin is supposed to go through there, but I don't like the fact that it's just wide open. So at some point in the future I'll sort something out. I'll speak to Image, maybe they actually supply something, obviously at extra cost, but hey ho. Yeah, I didn't mention earlier that each one is stamped. See, that's RH right-handed, so you've got the two on the right-hand side of the car and the other two are left-handed. So there we go. And I've just come back as well from getting the wheels fitted, or the tyres fit on the wheels, and they look brilliant. They're so big. Yeah, in general as well, the balancing didn't have to have a lot. A couple of them had a bit more. There you go, quite a little bit more there. But in general, I am chuffed, really chuffed with these. So now I'm going to offer them up, see what they look like. Look at that. They look absolutely awesome. Actually fills the the rear arches finally, after looking at skinny space savers for 3 years. How good's that look? I'm going to put it down on the floor in a minute. Yeah, and see how it sits. I'm so happy. Right, look at that. She's sitting down on her own wheels, under her own weight. That position is so cool compared to what I've been looking at for years. That the front was always a bit high, but it's certainly something that I can live with. Plus we've not done any adjustments yet. That's wicked. They really fill those rear arches. That's awesome. So you got the line up just under. Oh, they look amazing. And when those exhausts are powder coated, a similar kind of white, that's gonna look so good. Right, I think we might have to roll it outside if the weather's not too bad. Alright, that's it. That's the end of this video now. I've just taken it for a quick spin around the gravel outside with the wheels on. It throws gravel everywhere, so I can't really tell any difference, but it just looks awesome. I'm really happy with how it looks now. It fits. Yeah, full lock either way as planned. Obviously doesn't touch anything. I tried to lift it up and the jack at the back just by the axle near the corner to make sure it doesn't touch or bind, and it doesn't. So yeah, awesome. That's wheels and tyres.